bit more in the distance. Maybe he can hear me now. Leo, sitzen. Wow, super. Now he can hear me. We have 3 meters more. Super, Leo. Super. And I can reward him. Until now he's quiet. It's a good thing. Yes, and his body, he wants Dankeschön. Good boy. Yes, good boy. So I'm very peaceful now. Oops. And we are waiting now a little bit until his energy comes down. Now he's a little bit peacefuler, relaxeder. I see it in his eyes, in his body language. And maybe we can start to go a little bit more to the sign, which is there. Super, Leo, good boy. Okay, come. Maybe we can go. And now we stop to wait. Warte. Sitzen. Oh, good boy, you did brilliant. Super, Leo. Super. And I think I can give him a treat, because now he's quiet. Dankeschön. And his best buddy can have another treat. Dankeschön. His best buddy is completely relaxed. Yes. So we are waiting a little bit. Now the nose is going on. He's interested in maybe the sign smells a little bit, but it is not. And we are waiting. I'm doing mindful regard. Yes. And we are waiting so that he can be peaceful with the sign. Super, Leo. And he's clear watching to the sign. And now he's looking to me and I say, super, Leo, brilliant, Dankeschön. Watching to the sign, watching to me is good for me. Dankeschön, and good for him. Because he's realizing there is the sign. And there is no reason to be so upset.